Hi everyone, I'm really excited today because I have the latest VIOFO dashcam. It is the model 130 3-channel dashcam, and today we're going to unbox, review, and install it on my Toyota Corolla S. Before I come back, please click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'll be back. What I have here is the latest dashcam from VIOFO. It is the model T130. It is a 3-channel dashcam which has forward-facing camera, inside the cabin camera, and rear camera. The cool thing about this latest camera from VIOFO, the front-facing camera, it is a QHD. It's 1440p, which is super sharp, and the cabin camera is the 1080p. And the rear camera has the 1080p quality, so it's super cool. The cool thing about VIOFO, they're always trying to catch up with the latest technology, and this camera has, again, the QHD front-facing camera is the Quad HD, which is really super sharp at 1440p, so you can get high quality footage just in case you have to go to the court and to have to prove, you know, when you get into an accident and the judge asks or the police ask, hey, what happened? You can provide them with a clear video for court record, you know, so to make sure you can win a case just in case you get into an accident with somebody else. You have a clear proof in HD. And the cool thing, if you drive Uber, okay, or Lyft or do ride sharing, this camera has the cabin camera, so it will record everything. Let's say you are being robbed in Uber, right? God forbid, that will never happen to you, right? So there's a proof that your passenger is assaulting you. It happens a lot. In DC, an Uber driver was killed because somebody tried to carjack the car, right? And it happens a lot. The thing is, without dashcam, you can prove it to the judge or to the police that your passenger are assaulting you, right? So with this camera, if you are a driver of ride-sharing cars like Uber or Lyft, or there's so many things like ride-sharing services, right? You need this, like limo driver, right? You need that rear, the cabin facing camera, and also the rear one, just in case you're being rear-ended by somebody. You have everything for your protection. And also, look at this. It has the infrared night vision. The cool thing about this camera, it's really nice. I had the previous model and it was super sharp at night. You can use it during the daytime and also nighttime. And it has a built-in Wi-Fi which allow you to grab the footage straight from your phone, your dashcam to your smartphone. Cool stuff. The thing is, let's say you need to grab an evidence right away and show it to the cop or to the judge. You can grab the footage from the dashcam to your phone and show it right there at the court. Cool stuff, man. And also, the cool thing, it has the rotating lens. The lens can be adjusted by rotating it. Really neat. It has a voice notification. It will like, actually, yeah, it will like give you like voice notification. Hey, there's something going on. Really neat. And also, it has a parking mode to protect you while your car is parked. The thing is, if something happened, the parking mode will detect. Let's say somebody wants to vandalize your car, it will record their faces, you know, so you can show it to the cop. Hey, this is the guy who is vandalizing my car. And it has the Bluetooth remote option if you want to get it. Anyway, when I come back, let's unbox the VIOFO model 130T. I'll be back. Hi everyone. Before we unbox the VIOFO model T130, I just want to mention that this camera will work on either iPhone or Android phone. You can get the VIOFO app from Apple Store and Google Play Store. So let's unbox this. Look at that, nice box. And then look, I love VIOFO, the way they box their stuff. It's really cool. Look at that. And open it. Oh, look at that. Oh, look. it has the memory adapter. So you let's say you want to get the footage from the camera to your computer. It has a USB micro SD adapter. Really important stuff. A cable that will connect the front-facing camera to the rear-facing camera. It's a really long cable. It's really important to have a cable that is long enough so you can connect the front-facing camera all the way back to the rear. Okay, and oh look, this is the rear-facing camera with the 3M stickies. Oh, you need this one. This is super important. This is a trim pusher. The thing is, you want to use this to put the cable within the trim so you can push it all the way to the back. So you use it like this and push the cable. I'm glad VIOFO include this, okay? Cigarette adapter, power adapter. So you need this to power the camera. Oh, look at this. This is a USB cable. This is the moment that we were waiting for. The actual camera. Look at this. Wow. This is what I was talking about. The rotatable camera. Look. This is new. Look. Isn't that cool? I've never seen this before. This is the latest innovation from VIOFO. Look at that. Wow. I love it. You can do it that way, to the side, to the front, up and down. Wow. Now this is cool stuff. Yeah, look at this. Oh my god, this is nice. So I guess if you this is gonna be the front facing camera. This is the cabin. Look at that. This is important stuff. The thing is, let's say your Uber passenger is right here, so you can adjust, you know, where you want to point. This is super important for the cabin camera. Is rotatable. So VIOFO, think about it. I think a lot of Uber drivers are complaining, hey, we can't get footage of our passenger who are bad. Like, you know, when Uber drivers got assaulted, they want to be able to get good evidence so they can put the bad guys in jail. So yeah, this is cool stuff. So, and then the rear facing camera will go in the back. When I come back, I'll show you how to install it. I'll be back. Hi everyone. My daughter and I, we were discussing where to put the camera. The thing is, this has to be positioned like this because, you know, this is like upside down. This is the right way to do it. And we want to figure out, should we put it right here or here? The thing is, if you, in the states which prohibit people from putting something that will distract the drivers, you can't put it right here because you will get a ticket. You can either put it right here, but I already have the Virginia and Maryland Easy Pass, so I don't want to put it there. And let's say I drive Uber, right? I'm gonna use my Toyota Corolla as an Uber or Lyft car. I want to be able to record my passenger with, you know, he and or she is going to sit here, and I can use this rotatable cabin to, you know, to record what they're doing in the back. So yeah, so this is a good spot. So yeah, and this thing is really cool. This thing also is rotatable, and then look at that. Isn't that cool? So yeah, we're gonna commit the camera right here. The front facing always gonna, and don't forget to remove the cover here. So remove the cover, so you won't have any problem. Just remove the and the thing is, the power is right here, so we're gonna run the power from here through the trim all the way to the recharger here. So yeah, we're gonna commit the camera right here, so it won't distract me as a driver. And look at that, isn't that cool? And I can point it to the front to record everything. There you go. That's good. If you're wondering what that spot was, it was the old camera that we just took off. So yeah, from here you want to put the power cable like this. like that, and then we're going to run it through the trim like that. See that? It's super easy. Yeah, you want to hide the cable. It's gonna look ugly if you don't. Wow, this is I love this. Yeah, and then if you need help, you know, this is what the pusher trim pusher is. There you go, cable trim pusher. There you go. So you push it. Hold on. There you go. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, you have to push it really good so it won't come up. So anyway, when we're done pushing the cable, I will show it to you and I'll be back. My daughter is really good in installing dash cam. She's been doing so many installations, so I'll let her install the cable because she's really good at it. The thing is, it takes time and patience to do it, so once it's done, I'll show you how the front facing and the cabin facing camera work. We'll be back. Hi everyone, we finally finished installing the VIOFO T130. What we did, we installed the front facing camera right here, and so we can, you know, keep it out of the driver's side. The thing is, some countries and states prevent people from installing device that will distract drivers, so we put it right here, and it's the perfect position for Uber driver or Lyft driver, so they can see the passenger of the ride sharing right here, and then this thing can go, you know, to the back, and yeah, it's perfect. And then the power, what we did, we went through the left side all the way down to this side, so the power cable we were able to hide it in the trim. For the rear camera, we went through the right side, and we went all the way to the trim, down to the bottom trim here, and all the way to the back right here. As you can see, we hide it right there and behind the chair trim, and all the way to the rear facing camera. So yeah, if you're not mechanically inclined, it's gonna take at least an hour to install the cable. It's really hard. You really need to use that trim pusher tool in order to do it. And you know, we barely have cable left in order to connect the front and to the rear cable. So this is what we did. So anyway, when I come back, I will show you how it works. I'll be back. Hi everyone, the VIOFO T130 doesn't come with the micro SD camera, so you have to buy one, and you put it right here on the top and you put it in, and you have to turn the car on. And then if you want to connect the VIOFO dash cam to your smartphone, you have to go to Google Store to download the app if you own an Android phone, and if you have an iPhone, you have to go to the Apple Store App Store in order to download the VIOFO app. So what you want to do in order to connect the VIOFO app to the dash cam, you want to long press the Wi-Fi button.
Infrared
here.
lights disabled.
No, long press
Wi-Fi enabled.
until it says Wi-Fi enable, and then click connect to your camera. Continue to the system setting. Let me see, and then click the VIOFO Wi-Fi.
Connected.
Now it's connected now. There you go. And then it's gonna check. Let's see if it's gonna connect. When I come back, I'll show you how the app works. Hi everyone, now that the dash cam and my smartphone is connected, look at that. That's the cabin. Do you see that? That's my daughter and myself in the cabin, and that's the front facing camera, and that's the rear facing camera. So this is why the cool thing about the Model T30, it has the three channels camera. So look at that. It's so cool at 30 frames per second, so it recorded simultaneously. So yeah, it's the same time. So yeah, it's so cool. And let's show it to you how it works. This is so nice. So yeah, if you drive Uber and Lyft, you will have the peace of mind that you are protected by a security camera, so nobody will mess around, and then you have no proof of if they're assaulting you. Everything is going to be recorded right here. Look at that, the view, what it can record right there, and it's recording everything at the same time. Look at that. Isn't that cool? That is so cool. Now I'm just gonna drive really quick, and look at this. It's recording everything, and I can adjust the the camera, see where it can record. Look at that. Look, there you go. Now look, yeah, this is so cool. Wow, this is awesome stuff, because now the VIOFO is connected to the smartphone, and then you can grab the feeds from your smartphone VIOFO app. Yeah, this is cool stuff, guys. Yeah, I really recommend you guys to get the VIOFO dash cam, because it is so important these days to have dash cam, because things happen and you can't predict it, right? So yeah, this is such a cool camera. Look at that. Oh my goodness, look. The quality is so good. It's recording 3 different feeds at the same time, front, cabin, and rear. Yeah, I'm really excited that I have this camera. So yeah, cool stuff, guys. This is super cool. So yeah, so anyway, if you need a dash cam, I encourage you to check out the VIOFO model T130. I mean, Christmas is coming soon, and this is a great time for you guys, maybe to give your loved ones a gift of dash cam for their safety and security. Yeah, this is cool stuff, Yeah, it's super cool, guys. And thanks again, VIOFO, for sponsoring this video. And make sure you click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, and like this video. Love you guys. Bye.